Hello to Polio24. Today I'm very happy to present you a very new chronograph series. It's the Red Star Bullhead Chronograph. So this has a stainless steel case of 42 mm to 45 mm diameter. It has a double laid mineral crystal with anti-reflective coating, luminous hands, Red Star here, and the typical 70s design. Here is the stopping function of the watch, and it is powered by the Seagull column wheel chronograph ST19 with swan neck fine regulation. Here you can also see the engraved bull, and it comes either with blue dial, then very 70s with a special brown. So this is a golden brown, very special color, and also with the khaki color. That's the third model with black subdials. And as accessoire you can also choose the original Red Star metal strap. So I hope you enjoy these three new chronographs as much as we do.